Warnings you just ignore. See the errors. That's it. Click on the errors.
All zero succeeded, one failed. So the WS, this is not working. And just this error. Okay, here both errors are here. Short read, DDF, too many arguments for call.
Okay. Okay. So short. This one. Too many arguments.
It is coming from
For
interface.c.
okay. So interface dot to C. Mhm. Read
So
DDF.
this is original code, right? This is not something we change, right? This is the from GitHub, right?
Yeah, just a sec. Maybe we need to change something in this one also, or maybe your instant client is the problem. We need to make sure that from where is it coming. Just a sec. So if we go into the code cpts emits dll and interface.c, interface.c, it is from 2024. It seems like instant client issue, that instant client is not installed or something is the problem. Just a sec, let me check with Mildred if we need to install instant client on the machine or just keeping it there will work, because when I saw Tan's video today, he showed that instant client will have some files. This is mine. Where did that instant client? Okay, here it is. Yeah, you have .exes, everything. .dlls are also there. And if we go to control panel, let me see on my computer.
I'm 25.
Okay, I think we need to do one more thing. Into the Visual Studio, there is an option called uh, configure startup project. And in this one, configuration properties, configuration manager, Win32 should be with release. And then now try to rebuild solution.
Okay, while we are waiting, I want to say, did you first you do the? Can you give me the sequence again?
Just a sec. Let
Okay.
me confirm
Okay.
it's working and then I'll show you what I did.
Yeah, sure. Sorry. Fail.
Yeah, just a sec.
And I open include file, the H file, .h header.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now there are more errors.
More error? Mhm.
Now, previously there were 2, now there are 55.
Maybe on
So
save.
I'm just seeing the recording side by side on my other laptop. So I'm just comparing your settings with
Okay,
Anne's
okay.
settings.
Take your time. Sorry, take your time. I
Okay.
really appreciate. Really appreciate.
So he got the error for libcmt.lib and we got all these. Okay, so it says cannot open these files. So okay, now let's then next thing is local WS and we need to configure the startup project.
Gosh, try to mute so I can listen to the main thing.
You can mute it from here.
I can mute him.
Yeah, I muted Pravesh.
Okay.
Mute me, I'm here now.
Okay, it's okay now.
I'm back.
Yeah, it's okay. Because it was noise
More
in your background.
options.
Yeah, I was talking to my son.
So the slash, do you think is make difference? Import library dot backslash, then dot forward slash. They are different. Does it make difference?
And C++ command line. Oh, okay. We are missing one thing. So we are missing these directories. Yeah, found the issue. Okay, so we need to include everything. So first one is Jpats OCI include. What? One sec. Because the changes we made yesterday, that was under debug, but now we are running it under release mode. So when I came here, why is it not working? Tim, do you have the
Okay.
mouse?
Yeah. Okay. What do you want?
Okay, cancel.
Cancel.
Here.
Okay, let
Do
me
you see
close.
this option cancel? Yeah. So I changed your setting. I went to build and then there is a option called configuration manager. Previously we were running it under debug mode. That's where we made all the changes. But now we need to be under release mode. So under release mode, all the changes we made yesterday, those are not available. That's why we are getting these errors. So we need to change the settings like we did yesterday, and it should be, I think, one sec, we'll go one by one. Now I'm seeing the KT side by side so that we can make the changes and it will be recorded here.
Yeah.
So I remember, okay, that means mine is also running it under release mode. Release mode or debug mode. This is all configurations, cancel, and configuration manager. Yeah, mine is in release. That's fine. Okay, so here, let's see. Linker, CPDS, it's general. This is fine, lib.ca, but show progress is not set. Okay, so we'll go one by one. So we are in active release. So it should be, oh, sorry. Release CPTS emits, target name should be CPTS emits lib. And then dynamic DLL 22621.0 V143. This is fine. Okay. Then go to advanced. This is DLL, so everything is same. Then debugging. VC++ directory. So the first goes to instant client and then MSVC. Executable directories, this should change.
Edit. Okay, it works.
Okay, this is fine. We will just make one change, that we will change your development folder to small d.
Oh, because you are open.
Okay. Okay, leave it. We will change it later. So, or shall we modify it in your notepad? Let's modify so that we are not getting issue later. You have a notepad open here. Okay, this is perfect.
You don't need to edit.
I think we can just copy paste it directly. We don't need to edit and select.
Got it.
.12.1 development instant client. This is fine. And then you will need include with include path. Then it should take VC underscore include path and Windows SDK include path. That is fine. Then reference directories we need. reference path, and then library directories. Okay, and then SDK metadata, VC source path. This is fine. We'll apply these. Okay, and then we'll come to C++. General. Okay, let me see this one. General. These are all same. Then optimization is also, I think, same. The main problem, we just change anything in release, add all options. Here also it says release. Output file was giving the error yesterday. So it says no listing, release, that's fine. Code generation is also, and linker was the problem. Okay, go to linker. Yeah, linker will generate the lib file. So you also have lib, and then input and OCI lib A, that's fine. Manifest file is same. Apart from that, debugging, PDB, this is also same. And then go to advanced options. This is same, all options. Okay, so let's apply these settings and then try to build and then rebuild.
What's the difference between build and rebuild?
I don't know. Tan when showed us, he used to do build and then rebuild, and sometimes he was saying if you do rebuild, that also will make sure that it needs to first build and then rebuild. So rebuild will do both, but if you do build and rebuild, that also does not harm. But rebuild will create your lib directory in the end.
Okay.
Still there are two errors. One failed.
We have these hacks like 88 warnings. If you click here, two errors,
Mm-hmm.
will it directly take us to those errors?
That's what it's just showing warnings only.
It's
Mhm.
strange. You said two error. You click error, but it doesn't show error.
And we'll remove.
Oh
Okay,
no!
these are two
Oh, you
errors.
turn off. I got it.
Yeah.
You turn off.
Okay, let
So
me see
too
the
many
recording.
interface.com
Interface
short
C.
too many arguments for call. We did not make changes in this interface.c, right? Did
No,
we?
no, I think there is one more change. It needs to go on to the linker and then properties, input file here, And if we choose debug mode, there also I think removed yesterday. Let me compare it with mine. I should have options in debug. Linker input, and if I select debug, I also have same. Okay, no, I have many, so I'll just ping you. These also should be there. In mine is also not there. Maybe that's why it's failing uh in my Visual Studio also. So OCI lib A, these are there, and then we need these. Okay, maybe we can complete fully. Nice.
And we are compiling with the original code, not modified code.
Exactly. Yeah. Right now.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's try one more time.
Read TDF, read TDF. So it is only in one function. And
When did you move to Longueuil, Macy?
Last year.
Okay, why?
Because of my husband's job. We were living in Quebec City before that, and then my husband switched jobs. He got the job in Montreal, and that's why we
Okay,
had to move here. Then we were looking for home to rent, and we found a condo in Longueuil.
okay, got it. Sorry.
now let us see the
It's the
this
same
interface
error.
dot C, and this interface dot C is calling read DDF, and read DDF is in our CID
Mhm.
32. Okay, so it's the interface. Let us try to. I don't think there is an issue with the settings, and no one is touching this code as well. So,
And it
ooh,
compiles. I know I have compiled it before as well, so I know it compiles fully.
yeah. So we have character,
One more
character,
change.
char, too many arguments for call. So somehow just see these arguments interface.c and then CID 32 if it is matching. So the settings, if settings were not correct, it would have
Yeah,
not
if
taken.
settings are not correct, then also it creates a problem. So we need to make sure
Mhm.
these settings are working fine.
No, but it is picking all those programs, right?
Yeah, just on this interface, we are getting these two errors.
Or the interface.h.
Interface.c.
Yeah, but it does it include interface.h?
Yeah, I think so.
Is that a problem? I don't know.
Can
Because
you
I
open
know
the
when we were first time when Tan was giving us KT. His build was also failing again and again, and he was showing us that where you need to make changes, and then it was able to compile. So I'm
Okay,
just following the KT side by side on my another laptop, and wherever he's showing the changes, I'm also doing those changes, and then I think
okay,
we should be
okay.
able to complete.
Yeah, so these are the two routines, and these two routines did read DDF. No, it's a single routine, but DDF, read DDF, too many arguments. I'm curious to see this interface.c. It's there, right, in the above section?
Yeah, he can open it for you.
No, but what it is showing above in
Here,
this window? No, upper side.
this is
Here, yeah,
CID
this.
32.
Okay, CAD 32. Because it's too many arguments for call. So if we see these arguments, how many are there, and in then CID 32, how many arguments there in the read DDF. This is one way, but we are surprised that we did not make any read DDF. Just go to the CID 32C and search for this read DDF.
Tim, can you take over from here? I'm just looking at the KT.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
what
yeah, yeah.
Pravesh
Sure,
is
sure,
saying,
sure.
you can show him.
I agree, I agree, I agree.
Yeah.
I will do it. I will do it. Interface. I don't see interface here. Oh, here you go.
So interface, this is the routine.
Is the complaint is about where is the
Read
error?
DDF. Read DDF.
32, right? He says 32.
So here it is
So,
calling. See here, read DDF. It's calling this. See the number of arguments here. We have one full file, password, user ID, full file name, user ID, password, and database. What else?
so let's see a header. See interface.h. Where is interface.h? Header, interface.h. This doesn't match. Is that 32?
No, no, at the place where it is calling this routine, just check the
Here, can't read TDF.
full file name, username, password,
Can't
database.
read the TDF. So this one doesn't match that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Six, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So one is
5, 6.
full path name, user ID, password, database, and then we have root and then error. Six, right? And now go to CID.
CID. Where's
I
CID?
think Mansi also check if Than made any changes in these programs
Yeah,
to
I'm just checking those, like what changes were
so
made.
yeah, other way there is that this code is from GitHub. So this is the original code.
Yeah.
Now we can just compare these programs with the code in your directory. You got it?
Compare.
So this
Compare.
interface.c and then your interface.c.
You mean compare with my D drive?
Yes.
Okay.
So D drive, you took it from Mansi's code, right?
Here.
He took it from GitHub. Yeah.
No, no, GitHub and the code which is getting compiled correctly. So I just want to check the differences if there is any difference. If by any chance Khan did some changes in the .c or .h file itself.
Okay.
Okay. So is this the code from GitHub? I don't know. I'm confused. So this is the original code. Is that right? The one I see the C Jpats. Is this from GitHub or is it from
Mansi is busy in looking this
No, no, no.
getting.
This is from GitHub. You copied everything from GitHub. You copied only 4 files from me, and that's under Mansi's changes. Everything except that GitHub.
so if you Maisie, if you in your computer you also compile the GitHub code, it works, right?
Yes, yes. I have compiled GitHub code before, and it works.
So it
So
that
I'm just looking at Visual Code properties because
yes, yes,
something we
yes,
are missing. That's why it's
yes,
not able
yes.
to execute.
I agree. We shouldn't focus on the source code. Source code, you already we did the same thing from GitHub.
Yeah, we have downloaded code from GitHub multiple times and then it works. Only thing is Visual Studio properties is the problem.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so yeah, I have changed these executables. Goes till MSVC, then goes till. Oh, okay, so it goes till lib32. Okay, so here is one big problem. OCI lib, then lib32, it goes till here. Okay, and then this one goes till 12.1 SDK include, and this goes till OCI lib include. Still okay.
The included directory maybe is an issue. Is okay the same
Yeah, include is okay.
because he complain about the, the, what's that complaint is that I suspect it went to a wrong header, use the wrong prototype. That's why it complained the shorter argument must be somewhere define the same header. So let me think. Let me believe that the include maybe go to the wrong include. That's why it
Mm-hmm.
shows such a error. I don't know. Sometimes the sequence, right? He try to find the first include, they match the first include. That's all wrong argument.
Mansi, actually, I need to prepare for a call,
Okay.
so which is at 10:30. Okay, so
Okay,
Okay,
please.
thank
sure,
you.
no problem.
Uh,
Yeah,
okay, thank you.
thank you, Prakash.
After this, it worked for him, but we are getting error. So it is manifest release dynamic base no OCI lib A 32 lib C lib kernel 32.lib user shell 32 UUID is the same DLL machine. After that, it says debug full, which we have removed. We put it here. Okay, so somewhere it is coming from here. So it says cpds limits lib. Then input is this manifest file is this. Then debugging. Okay, debug DLL. Debug, it should be the so should be debug full. This one. Debug full DLL machine x86 CFS Incremental, no. PGD. And then incremental, no. PGD. And then it is coming local WS dot pgd, and we have cpts lib dot pgd. Somewhere it is wrong. Import library is dot slash pgd. Here the guided database dot pgd, it is coming from the target name. And target name, where is the target name? It is not setting properly. It should be local ws. Local ws.pgd. General target name, where is it setting target name? Here, incremental link database file. Local ws, then let's compare other things. This is the problem, cpts lim, this is the problem, then subsystem windows manifest level asl invoker ui access false manifest file dot release, and this should also be local ws.dll. And then it should everywhere it should take local ws, and it is taking cpts emits lib, which is the problem. So here this linking is not getting right. cpts, how can we correct this? cpts lib emits lib, but target name, it is coming from here. And what's his target name? I think local ws, that's why. Ah, okay. But in mine, it is, if I change it to local ws, that means everything will change. Then linker also will change, and here command line will also change. Yeah, everything became local ws. Okay, and then let's try. Project local ws. Can we ask Tan, because it's taking so much time now?
Yeah. Okay. So we have a touch base meeting, right? We raise this
Yeah.
issue in the. I think Kimby will get a tense help. When you are still here, I want you and Ten together. Otherwise, Ten asks me many questions. I couldn't answer any questions. Ten will think I'm very stupid. He will think DSC is so
No, no,
stupid.
no, you don't have to do that. I will get it resolved for you. We still have 2 days. So just give me today or tomorrow. I will get this compiled. Otherwise, you have Pravesh, and then Before that, don't worry, this will be resolved. I am not sure from where it is coming, but I just need to rewatch the recording and I will resolve it for you. Don't worry about that.
Okay, all right. Okay,
Yeah,
fine. Thank you.
just they will ask about the KT and the progress, so that you can mention how is it going.
Sure, sure. So can you summarize what's left? Only this one and what else?
This one, this compiling is left. Apart from that, I gave you KT that what is Jpats and what's there, what code changes are there. I showed you that also yesterday.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean,
You,
what are left?
what
What
is left is, I think I have covered mostly. So maybe small things are left now that your CATIA V4 access is not working that we need to check. And just small things are left now. Just I
Mhm.
need to show a conversion to you to DDF to CSV conversion. That is also like 5 minute task. That is left. Apart from that, I don't think we have covered mostly.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. Since you mentioned, you remind me, even though compile doesn't work, can you give me high level? If compile work, what's this? How do I go from here?
Okay, then if compile works, it will right now here it's saying uh, one failed. So in that case, it will show you one succeeded. And here it will show you the path for that build worked. I'll join from my other screen, so I'll show you from there. Because the
Okay.
problem is right now you need to see videos and then you will be able to understand and
Yeah, yeah.
digest like
So
what's happening.
I will stop sharing and then you share. Then I will
Okay,
see your video. Okay. I will
okay,
see you in your environment.
yeah, okay. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I quit.
Okay, so now I will share my screen and the recording I was watching for Tan's hair. Where
Okay.
did it go? Oh, what happened? I don't see my screen.
You don't see your screen. Why? That's okay. Just show me your Visual Studio and how do you make a how do you compile and make. I don't. Yeah, I want to see
Yeah,
how.
yeah, yeah, one sec.
Yeah,
So in this one, I was just seeing this recording. So I'll just mute this.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And here he was making changes. So you will see that his build was working. And here you will see his build will be successful.
So you try to show me from his video. You don't show me from your Visual Studio.
No, because my Visual Studio is also messed up because of my code changes. It's not working. So here you see it will show like this: rebuild all, one succeeded, zero failed. So it will create a DLL file, this .dll file. It will create this file. And then you
Okay.
have to take this .dll file and go to the cpts emits folder, uh, remote desktop. Here you will go to test your changes. You will come here, it in cpts emits.e. In this folder, you will replace that .dll file. So one sec, here the name is incorrect. It is creating local ws, but it should be cpts emits lib should be. So output file is the problem. And if you will watch this video, this was the first session we had with Tan when he showed us how to compile the code, how to download it from GitHub, how to download it from GitHub, how to compile it, what are the changes you need to make into your Visual Studio, and once the DLL is prepared, then where you have to take. And he's explaining code so much better than me because I'm not able to explain to that level what Han has explained in this video. That's why I was asking you to watch this video.
Okay, you continue.
It will
Can you
make
go to
more
can you go to
sense.
remote? Yeah, yeah. I the code doesn't bother me. Can you go to the remote machine again?
Yeah.
So
Just
remote machine.
okay. Leave it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't worry about that one. Yeah, where's your remote machine? Okay, so
Yeah.
you say you generate the DLL, and then where do you put JDL?
Here cpts emit lib dot. You will replace it here.
Okay, then that's it, right? Then you can
Yeah,
run it,
then
right?
that's it. Then you can run this .exe and then you will check if your changes are working or not.
Okay, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Fine. So I will the video you are telling me is the one you show me you share with me, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
I already shared with you. That's why I'm putting so much focus on just watch this video and so
mm,
you will get understanding much
fine,
better
fine.
than what I'm explaining right now.
Okay, that's fine. So so after Karen's meeting this afternoon, I need to go to see my eyes. So the
Okay.
whole afternoon I'm off. So if you have
Okay.
any idea, tomorrow morning maybe you refresh. We try a little bit again. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
tomorrow
sure.
morning.
I will
So
once you will you won't be here, but I will watch the recording to make sure that my compiler is working on my machine, so I will show you how to compile it
okay,
tomorrow.
I sincerely appreciate your efforts.
Thank you.
Okay, let me stop recording now.
Sure.
Okay.